How to fix disappearing messages on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix disappearing messages on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the chat icon which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the chat section, then what you can do is just open the chat where the messages disappear. And now here, once you are inside the chat section, then what you can do is just tap on the profile icon shown in the top of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, then what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on chat and notification settings. And now after that, just tap on the option labeled as delete chats. And now here you'll see four options. So here, if your Snapchat messages is disappearing, then what you can do is select this option that says never. And here, once you do that, it will fix the disappearing messages on Snapchat. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.